Oh, what are you doing? Making pakit. I say cheese. When the doctor checks you, what will you do? Okay, you open your mouth and yes, the doctor. No, when the doctor checks you. Okay, what else? You say A. Let's have the alphabet. A. Say A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. O. Say O. Do not disturb the camera. Say O. O. Continue, Cash. Yeah. Later, do not mind Tatay. Say O. P. Okay, who's this? Strawberry shortcake. Who's this? Dengue. Who's this? Po. Who's this? Moo. And who else? Mo. It's a cow. And who's this? Crazy. Okay. Press. Okay, press. Dance. She knows that it's press. Okay, what is your name? What is your name? Cashy girl. What is your name? Cash. How old are you? 2. Okay. You say, who is our president? Who is our president? Noynoy. Yes, very good. Our president is Noynoy Aquino. And what? Introduce our family? Itay. Who else? Inay. I did it. Are you hungry? Hungry? Dede. Oh, what is the other term for dede? Milk.
Tutoy.